को जगा दे, दिल 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 को जगा दे।
For the annual sports meet of this year, but also to inaugurate the 3-day-long annual celebrations of this year. I, on behalf of this institution, remain immensely thankful to him and once again extend our cordial and heartfelt welcome to him. I also take this opportunity to express our thanks, gratitude and welcome to all other ladies and gentlemen, including Madam Chhaya Sharma, SP West Siang District, Arunachal Pradesh, as well as Mr. Vivek Sharma, Commandant 2nd Battalion, Arunachal Police. Now,
march past.
Most honored one of games and sports. They will make a round and finally it will be established by the sports champion, Mr. Michael Guinea and Ms. Purnima Dubey. Now he's handing over the torch to...
We swear that we will take part in our school's athletic annual sports meet respecting the rules and regulations which govern them of sportsman spirit for the honor of our school and for the glory of sports.
Then, volleyball runners team, class 11B, Captain Mr. Devaite will collect the collective prize and the rolling trophy. Captain Mr. Deva. With Damdemoje receiving the champion's trophy for volleyball. Winners team. And he will be followed by Mr. Sakil Ansari. Here is Mr. Kenjom. Will receive an individual prize along with the collective prize. The best piper from the girls. Manananda Memorial Prize for Best Player in in football, sub-junior group. Master Lido Kamgo of class 6. Master Lido Kamgo of class 6. Prize awarded by a devotee, cash award of ₹100. Master Lido. And lastly, Miss Kenumpado. Each of them has got ₹600 as Swami Vivekananda Scholarship for the session 2001-2002 for their meritorious.
Here this morning. In the first moment, I would like to convey my good wishes to every one of you for this new year 2002. I hope this new year will bring you reward of joy and happiness and give us time to live together in harmonious manner. I received a telephone call from our most revered Swamiji to attend this annual celebration as well as school week this morning. I have accepted the invitation thinking that it will lessen my joy and happiness in this New Year day if I do not participate at the call of our Swamiji. That is why I have come over here. Really, I take this opportunity as an unique one, a moment of pleasure, because I am sharing the joy and happiness that you have this morning seeing this celebration. At the same time, I should pronounce my appreciation that this institution has been building up a lot of good citizens from the day the institution was established. Today it has attained a full-fledged status and establishing its image as one of the best schools of the state. I feel proud to be here as your chief guest. 10,000.
So 10,000 rupees given to the school by Honorable Minister. The Minister has very kindly contributed rupees 10,000 for development and welfare of this institution. Minister will be kept on endowment and interest income of which will be given as prizes to meritorious students as well as good athletes every year.
Thank you, Swamiji.
उसके पीछे माँ शारदा देवी and her 2 disciples VIP के सम्मुख जीसस क्राइस्ट और एक सोल्जर
Widow for Frank, even as
আমি তোমার সত্যিকারের মা, তুমি আমাকে চোখে দেখে কানে শুনে ভালো করে যাচাই করে নিতে পারো। मैं ठाकुर के समक्ष नहीं जाऊंगा।
गिरीश घोष।
मैं पतित हूँ, मैं भ्रष्ट हूँ। ठाकुर के समक्ष जाने की हिम्मत मुझमें नहीं है। अरे भाई चलो।
माई के सम्मुख आके बच्चे बोले, डायलॉग सुनाई नहीं देता।
अरे यह मैं क्या देख रहा हूँ? जो छवि मेरे अंतर में वर्षों से भासती रही है, उसी का बाहरी रूप ठाकुर।
अरे गिरीश, तुम अपने को इतना छोटा क्यों समझते हो? मेरी नजरों में तुम और नरेंद्र दोनों एक समान है। तुम्हारा जीवन उद्देश्य से प्रेरित है, तुम्हें कोई पाप नहीं।
धन्य है प्रभु, आज मैं धन्य हो गया, मेरा जीवन प्रकाशित हो गया। आपकी मेरे ऊपर बहुत कृपा है प्रभु। देखा, जय हो।
ठाकुर
का जन्म दिया तो उसका नाम रखा हिंदू। कुछ वर्षों के बाद एक छोटा बच्चा पड़ा हुआ मिला तो उसका नाम रखा मुसलमान। उसको अपना दूध पिलाकर अपनी आंचल की छाया में पाल पोस कर बड़ा किया। पर हाय मेरे दुर्भाग्य, मेरे छोटे बेटे ने मेरे 2 टुकड़े कर दिए और आज सांप्रदायिकता का विष फैला कर ये फिर से मेरी 2 टुकड़ा करना चाहते हैं। अब मैं कहाँ जाऊँ? हे प्रभु, इसका विचार तुम ही करो। 54 वर्ष की क्रूर आजादी के बाद माँ का आंचल अब मैला हो चुका है, अनाचार वह विपन्न है। इसीलिए चाहता हूँ एक नया देश बनाना, चाहता हूँ एक नई आजादी। हे भाई, तुम जाति के नाम पर कलंक हो और पाप की जड़ हो, इसीलिए तुमने प्रेम और स्नेह की हत्या करके मिथ्या की गुलामी करना चाहते हो। हे माँ, तुम्हारे प्रति अनाचार, अपमान और लांछना मैं और सहन नहीं कर सकता हूँ। जो बेटा माँ से प्रेम करना नहीं जानता, उसका त्याग कर दो माँ। मैं भी माँ के पास रहना नहीं चाहता। मैं सिर्फ माँ का दाहिना हाथ। मत करो, माँ को छोड़कर सुख और शांति बाजार में नहीं मिलता। मेरे पास जो कुछ भी है, दोनों भाई मिलकर उसका उपयोग करो। एक साथ मिलकर सुख और शांति से रहो। शिक्षा, रुचि, संपत्ति का अधिकारी होकर भी आपके खून का अधिकारी नहीं बन पाया माँ। इसीलिए हिंदू मुसलमान दोनों भाई होने पर भी एक साथ नहीं रह सकते। माँ के दाहिने हाथ में अगाध धन संपत्ति छिपी हुई है, इसीलिए मुझे माँ का दाहिना हाथ चाहिए। अच्छा माँ, दिखाना तो दाहिना हाथ, भला क्या छुपा है उसमें? ओह, कश्मीर, तो इसे चाहिए कश्मीर। हाँ, मुझे चाहिए कश्मीर, चाहिए मुझे एक नई आजादी। अरे मूर्ख, माँ को पंगु बनाकर तुम लोग ये आजादी, धर्मनिरपेक्षता के खुले द्वार में प्रवेश कर विनाश करना चाहते हो अपना ही घर। दोनों भाइयों में सुख, सांप्रदायिकता, राजनीति और समृद्धि के लिए द्वंद्व को देखकर महाभारत के महासंग्राम में खड़ी इस दुखी भारत माता के क्रंदन को रोको प्रभु। ओ पत्थर की मूर्ति के सामने प्रमाण निरर्थक है माँ, और निरर्थक है मेरे छोटे भाई का विवेक। इसीलिए तो 54 वर्ष रह रहा हूँ। फैसला कर लो अमेरिका से अथवा संयुक्त राष्ट्र से, और आज भी कहता हूँ फैसला कर लो बिन लादेन से। चलो भैया, अथवा बिन लादेन बोलो, सब अपना ही स्वार्थ पूरा करना चाहते हैं। ठीक कहते हो बड़े भैया, ठीक कहती हो माँ। माँ के आंचल में ही दोनों भाई सुख और शांति से मिलकर रह सकते हैं और रहेंगे भी। बोलो अखंड भारत माता की जय, अखंड भारत माता की जय, अखंड भारत माता की जय।
माँ ने दोनों हिंदू और मुसलमान को अपना दिया।
अगला कदम होगा मिशन इंडिया। तुम्हारा मिशन कभी पूरा नहीं हो सकता हमारे होते हुए। दूध मांगोगे तो खीर देंगे, कश्मीर मांगोगे तो चीर देंगे।
Leprosy patients and counselors too.
भगवान ने मुझे दिल को दिया है, सब मुझसे घृणा करते हैं।
तुम्हें कोई छू भी ले तो उसकी जिंदगी बर्बाद हो जाए।
जरा सुनिए, क्या तुम्हें उठा भी नहीं सकती?
एक्सक्यूज मी मिस, अगर आपको इतनी ही हमदर्दी है तो उठा क्यों नहीं देती?
क्यों नहीं? उठिए माँ जी, इसका इलाज आसानी से आजकल होता है। आप तो पढ़ी लिखी लड़की है, आपको तो इन जैसों की मदद करनी चाहिए, मगर आप इस तरह की बातें करती हैं।
आई एम सॉरी, दोबारा ऐसी गलती नहीं होगी। और हाँ, एक बात और कीजिएगा। आइए माँ जी, आप कहाँ जाना चाहती हैं? मैं आपको छोड़ देती हूँ।
तो तुमने से 500 रुपया लेना पड़ेगा। तो अभी आप लोग हम छोड़ देगा।
Immunization, their children will suffer in future. They will become independent from other children. Therefore, don't forget to take this polio drug as per service in order to save child's future. Thank you.
जी हाँ, ये मम्मी है करप्शन यानी भ्रष्टाचार। और मुझे बड़े दुख के साथ कहना पड़ रहा है कि ये सिर्फ इंडिया में ही नहीं, पूरे वर्ल्ड में फैल गया है। क्योंकि वो तो भारत की तत्वों की बल पर लड़ता है। वो तो बुर्खा पहनकर लड़ने में से है। जबकि 1948, 1971 और 1991 में करारी हार के बावजूद भी उसने आतंकवाद बंद नहीं किया। हमें उन्हें दिखा देना चाहिए कि हम उनकी तरह चूड़ियां पहन नहीं रखी। जिस दिन हमारे सैनिक forgetting the first and the beliefs of the year, beliefs of the Mopin, here comes the Mopin 2030, the festival of harvest. Popura tanu, popura tanu, popura tanu, popura tanu, popura tanu, popura tanu, moka gutangada, popura tanu, tamu gutangada, popura moka gutangada, popura tanu, tamu gutangada, popura tanu. Thank you.
These acts of mass murder were intended to frighten our nation into chaos and frustration. But it's not so. Our country is strong and our country can withstand anything. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
नहीं कर सकता। बड़े लोगों को तो चोरी करने के अधिकार है। मैं उन्हीं के कुछ तस्वीर को इंसान रहा हूँ।
সেই জন্য আমি তোমাকে অবশ্যই সঠিক পথ দেখাবো।
वीर कलाकार एक बार फिर जो है मंच पे मोमेंट में दूर रे दूर और तुम मैंने गेंद तो होई यो होई मासा तो हम लोग गांव है, गांव को रिस्पेक्ट भी नहीं देता। इसलिए अभी हम लोग कसार में जाएगा, उधर बाजार में, कसार में बोरा कर बनाया, बोरा उधर जाके बोलेगा हिंदू मुस्लिम सिख ईसाई काला गोरा। अलकायदा का नेटवर्क लेकर के प्रस्तुत हो गए। तन समर्पित, मन समर्पित और यह जीवन समर्पित। चाहता हूं कि सरहदों पर तैनात ये सैनिक बाप में है, रक्षा हेतु तत्पर।
अनुमान सेट
थैंक यू।
और एक है
अनुमान सेट ताली नहीं मार रहे।
Gonzalo,
Nasi, Mohamed Nasi, and Tomolomi, push of bulls and a scene of bean. The results from the secondary section. First, Master Ige Loya, Lia Loi, and Gemoete, Indian Sainik, BSF, on duty in border of India and Pakistan.
By the hostlers, invocation by the hostlers.
Second day called Ramakrishna Divas of our annual celebrations for 2001-2002. It is known to all of us associated with this institution that since his assuming the office of the Deputy Director of School Education at Along, Mr. Mohan Rina has always been extending his helping hands to sort out as well as solve the problems we had placed for solution at his disposal.
Individuals, Sri Krishna, Nanak, Buddha, each fulfilled a great demand of his age in which he was born. He who is known as Sri Ramakrishna is the fulfillment of that great promise in this age to save the nation from and also the humanity from the dire calamity, but also to resuscitate all faith. Sri Ramakrishna was born on 18 February 1836 at a village called Kamarpukur in Bengal. From the childhood onwards, he was very simple, playful and meditative. He had his first experience of ecstasy when he saw a group of swans flying in the sky under the clouds. All like his teachings, because Sri Ramakrishna taught them in the simplest word that even as illiterate people could understand. Sri Ramakrishna entered Mahasamadhi on 16th August 1886. Sri Ramakrishna preached that the highest goal of a man is to realize the self. This realization of self has been described in different religions. The Hindus call it as moksha, the Jains call it as siddha sila, the Buddhists call it as nirvana, and the Christians call it as perfection. In Sermon on the Mount, Jesus Christ says, "Be thou perfect."
Excuse me, extended pleasure, possibly no less than that of Ramakrishna himself. Now, one thing I have to object to is that I have been called the guest of honor. Now, I object to this very strongly. I don't think I am a guest. I feel I am a member of your own family and that I am here in my own capacity. Maharaj agrees with this.
To my children, first of all, this is the time to make yourself fit for living tomorrow. Every minute of your life at this moment is very precious. you have to utilize time very preciously. Since you have been studying in a great institution like RK Mission, you might have been inspired by your teachers, your Swamiji, and not only that, you have been always going through the books of your this Swamiji and your this Ramakrishna. So definitely you will be guiding yourself towards your goal. I don't feel that there will be any scope to deviate yourself from the path, from the mission where you want to go.
Director of Education speaking to you from the bottom of his heart, with such sensitivity in philosophy and understanding of psychology, makes you wonder whether we really deserve this. I think it was one of the most moving and thought-provoking addresses I have heard in my own life. Believe it or not. Thank you. Now, a couple of other things I wanted to talk to you. I wanted to give you a few examples. Now, one is, in this auditorium itself, we have a representation of India. Right from Punjab and Kashmir, we have people from Punjab, Sindh, Gujarat, Maratha, and the whole world is here. We have a microcosm of our own country. The fact that our country has made such efforts to reach out to you means how much it loves you and how much it needs you also. So you must understand this. This example which I wanted to give you was from my own observation in Bastar, in Madhya Pradesh. I have been visiting Bastar since 1993. That year I was lodged in a small school compound known as Kachapal. There was a bright student there, a very brilliant boy, who went home for his vacations. He did not come back after the vacation. So the teacher, the headmaster, Mr. Lois Sahu, left with the social worker to find out why he has not come. You know how far he had to travel? He traveled for 3 days. He slept on top of trees. Peड़ से रात को सोते थे, सुबह उठ के बाहर पड़ा थे, and then he used to walk the whole day. After 3 days, he reached the remote village from which this boy was there. After reaching there, the boy's father said that the boy met with a small accident. He broke his foot and he's been sent to Baba Ramke's ashram in Himakasa, which is a little further off. They marched another 1.5 days. They reached there, they found out that the boy has been discharged. They came back, and there the boy was with his father. So, total 7 days of total traveling, right? At that point, the father still refused to send the boy back to school. Try and understand what the teacher has done, what your teachers are doing for you. At this point, the father said, I need my son to help me with the field work. खेती के काम में मेरे को बच्चे की जरूरत है. तो ये लोग बोले धंधा इतना होशियार लड़ता है, इसको ये मत करो, उसकी जिंदगी खराब हो जाएगा. बहुत जबरदस्ती करने के बाद में the father relented, the boy came back. Today he is a doctor. He is a doctor.
Particularly, we are very thankful to the Honorable Chief Guest for his inspiring words. Dear students, he has spoken a few very important points, which I feel will go a long way in molding your future course of life.
তার বিবেক কইরা খুজুলি মিটাবে সদা ঝুলি এসেছে নতুন মানুষ বিজুলি আসবে এসেছে নতুন মানুষ বিজুলি আসবে এসেছে নতুন মানুষ বিজুলি আসবে
Ultimately, the spirit of the dead departed after a long time from the body in the form of well-dressed nymphs, dancing and singing. This very theme is going to be presented through a group dance composed on Nazrul song, Egyptian dance composed on Nazrul song.
Oh
Bukoti, Kaliru Namamo, Bharat Kaling Amot, Naduni Tango, Bharat Kaling Amot, Naduni Tango, Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo, Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo, Lohitiang kambing tidak kasamen, Lohitiang kambing tidak kasamen. Mekope laju dia, mekope laju onuan, mekope laju dia, mekope laju onuan. Lepina bukoti, aku anak bukoti. Lepina bukoti, aku anak bukoti. Bharat Kaling Amot, Naduni Tango. Bharat Kaling Amot, Naduni Tango. Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo. Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo. Bharat Kaling Amot, Naduni Tango. Bharat Kaling Amot, Naduni Tango. Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo. Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo. Arunachal Nuga, Ayapi Namamo. Be
Mother India of ours was renowned in ancient and medieval ages for her knowledge in science, technology, art, literature, philosophy, and above all, for her spirituality. She was very rich in agriculture, craft, trade and commerce. Khudiram Bose, Chandrasekhar Azad, Bhagat Singh, Netaji, Gandhiji, Pandit Nehru, and others. And by their sacrifice, they compelled the British government independence to India on the 15th of August 1947. This very idea is going to be presented in the form of an action song titled Vande Mataram.
Sujola, Sufala.